Hi everyone, this is a demonstration of a defective fan in my Oculus Quest 2. So this unit that I received, whenever I turn it on, I hear the fan spin up and then it buzzes throughout use time. And then when I turn it turn it off, the fan, the buzzing sound goes away. So this is just a demonstration to show what that sounds like. I asked Oculus to replace this headset, and they asked me to make a video demonstrating the fan noise. So that's what I'm doing here. So this headset is currently plugged in using the adapter cable that came with it. And I'm going to bring the camera close to it so you can hear. It's quiet right now. Yep, no sound. And now I'm going to turn it on and you will hear the fan slowly spin up and then get to full speed. Here we go. Okay, so I think the fan has reached full speed. Now I'm going to turn it off and you'll hear even the way the sound goes away. You can tell it's the fan. Oops, it turned off on its own. All right, now I'm going to turn it off. Here we go. Yep, so you heard how it sounds when the fan speed goes away. So I'm going to share this video with Oculus, and then hopefully they will authorize my RMA so I can get a new headset. Other than that, really enjoy the headset and the technology. Really, really impressed by it. Thanks everyone. Bye.